Hello, my name is Donald Baker. I'm the senior partner at Baker & Baker Family Law Lawyers in Toronto. I'd like to talk to you today about child support. Child support is based primarily on something called the guidelines. The guidelines are federal and provincial legislation that determine how much child support one pays. In the normal circumstance, the children live with one spouse and the other spouse pays child support. There are some variations such as shared parenting and split custody, and we'd like to refer you to our website and the links or to call our office with respect to those situations. So today I'm just going to talk to you about the standard arrangement, children in one house, the other spouse paying child support. So the amount of child support is determined on the guidelines, and what the guidelines say is you pay so much money based on your income. Most of us have no trouble determining our income. It's either based on a T4 or tax returns or your year-end pay stub. So you look it up in the guidelines, and if you make $100,000 a year and you have 2 children, you will go to that column and you will see how much money you're going to pay for what's called basic child support. In addition to basic child support, there's a separate section called Section 7 of the guidelines, which talks about extraordinary expenses. The 2 best examples are nanny and daycare expenses and post-secondary education. The difference between the calculation of Section 7 and basic child support is that with Section 7 expenses, it's shared on the basis of your respective incomes. So if you're paying child support and you make $100,000 a year and the other spouse makes $50,000 a year, you would pay 2/3 of the expense that qualifies as Section 7s. In addition to that, there are people who are self-employed whose income varies tremendously from year to year, and those people have different sections in the guidelines to calculate their income. For example, in Section 19, it indicates that a court can impute income if somebody is underemployed, is working in a jurisdiction where the tax rates are very low, and so forth. These rules are relatively technical, and we urge you to call the office and speak to a lawyer here if you need any information with respect to that. That's a summary of child support, and if you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to call the